Looks like we lost the sun for today, but we still got the element. What's going on, guys? How's it going? Good morning. Hope you're having a fantastic morning, or hope you had a fantastic day. It's time. We got the element the other day, and we're gonna jump it. We did our videos, we did our fire videos, we did our burnout videos, we did the picking up videos. Now it's time to jump it. So we decided, let's get up early in the morning before the frost is gone. Hopefully the ground is a little more solid. Usually as soon as the sun comes out, this just turns into muck. So it's starting to get soft, but it is still somewhat frozen. As you can see, there's a little ice on here, but that's not gonna stop us. So there's Grayson, top of the hill, getting ready. So if you haven't seen my videos before, this is the car jump. I built it basically just to jump cars. There's no landing. It actually jumps into the side of that, the gap over there. If you guys saw any of the Buick jumps, Cavalier jumps, the giant Jeep jump, that was us. So if you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe, hit the notifications button. I post 365 videos a year, so I'm excited for another big year. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Anyways, let's get this party on the road here and hope this thing sends. This thing is super fast. It is front wheel drive, so hopefully that doesn't affect it too much. We're gonna fully send it today. As you can see, there's some shrapnel from old vehicles. We got the tires. I think that was the Sunfire, the Cavalier jump. We stacked tires on top of the jump. It hit it, they launched everywhere. I tried putting the log in the jump, hoping a car would front flip, but it didn't. So anyways, yeah, this is our element. This is Grayson's old car. It was not roadworthy anymore, and instead of parting it out or making it roadworthy, he said, screw it, let's make a whole bunch of videos with it and do cool stuff. So we ripped it up the other day. We've been mudding a little. I crashed sideways into a Ford 500 and didn't pop a tire. We lost the tail light, but other than that, this thing's mint. So let's send it and see if we can beat our launch record. I don't know if we'll beat the launch record. I don't want to make any promises, but I've seen weirder things happen. So when we launched the Jeep, it jumped right to the top of that jump. So I'm hoping this either goes over or lands somewhere in that area, or goes off the side and barrel rolls. I don't really care. So let's get her going here and send her to space. You ready?
Is the heat still working that thing?
Yeah. You getting cold?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's send it.
Said I am getting my hopes up.
We're gonna send this thing to space. Prime time. It's going. See you guys.
A little bit of a burnout. Yeah. Oh! That wasn't quite it.
Well, attempt number one didn't go so well. It started going down the ramp pretty straight, and then all of a sudden it turned. But I think it's fine overall, so I'm gonna run up, we'll grab the tractor.
Run it back.
Flip it back over and try and do another one. We'll hopefully she'll still send, as long as we don't leave her outside too long. Should we head back up and grab her?
Yeah.
All right, so we ran into a few issues. The old element decided to turn last second and flip over.
She was scared. She was scared.
She was scared, I'd be scared too. That's a big jump. So luckily I don't think there's much damage, just broken window. And hopefully the steering still drives straight. So we got the tractor here, we're gonna flip it over. and do attempt number 2. Oh, sorry, she's rough down here. Yeah, and then launch it and get out of here. I was really hoping it would jump straight the first time, but you know, you can't always win, so it makes the video extra interesting too. Whoa! Get rid of the flip. Boom. That's how it's done, boys. That's how it's done. Oh, all the crap fell out.
Yeah, she lives.
This ground is thawing out quick. We got the thing flipped over, but when it flipped, the tire popped off the bead. Luckily, we still have the tractor down here and we got a spare tire. So what I'll do is I'll pop that tire off, put the spare on the back, and put the back on the front. So when it takes off, it doesn't want to steer right or left, because if you put a smaller tire on, that's what they tend to do. So you should probably see if this thing starts. You want to go turn the key?
Yeah.
Before I change the tires, let's see if it starts first. I don't want to waste my time. Uh-oh. Rut-row. Oh, the door's all banged in. Well, we have some issues. She doesn't want to start. So... Oh!
I think this is dead.
It got more power that time, though.
Yeah.
Maybe just letting it sit. Anyways, I'm going to change the tires in the meantime, and then hopefully it'll either start, or I'll just go grab another battery up at the house and we'll just boost it. Because I would like to see this thing jump again. Even if it just starts again, I'd be happy. So try it again. It's like a fridge, you know, you just, once you move it around, you gotta let it sit for an hour. So this thing was tipped on its side, so we just gotta let her sit for a bit. Yeah, I'll grab the tractor, we'll lift this thing up and get those tires changed. Get those tires changed. Basically a professional tire changer now, especially if you have the tractor. You can do 2 tires in 3 minutes. Whew. All right, we got the tires changed. Oh, your fog light cap's still holding on. Tires changed, we went up and grabbed a spare battery, so fingers crossed it starts and then we can jump it again. But if not, well, whatever. But we tried, so let's fire the thing up.
Are you holding those on?
I'm holding them on.
Oh, God. Oh, glass in the ass, no big deal. Whoa.
Hold on.
Tried a little bit harder that time.
Everything's pretty corroded on this thing. All right, try it.
Ah!
Try it again. Stop. Let's try to get fucking close on here. Try it again.
Come on, girl. Like you can.
Oh.
Oh. It really sounds like it. Yeah.
Try it. Try it. I'm gonna try one more thing.
Oh.
All right, try it. All right.
Shit.
Well, yeah, I'm a little sad, but you know, that's just the way of the road. It doesn't always work, but good thing we got a pretty much unlimited supply of cars coming from the scrapyard. So we're gonna lock this video up for now, but we're actually gonna head to the scrapyard, see if we can get something else, and then maybe we'll jump it later this week. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. We were hoping this thing would go a lot further, but you know, in the conditions we have right now, that was the best we could do. It was going straight and then just decided to veer off to the right, but it happens. So thank you guys again. Leave some comments, hit the links below, follow me on Instagram, and Snapchat and all that bullshit. All right, we'll see you guys later.